Hey, Mr. Ramos here, bringing you another slice of world history, one Sunday nugget at a time. Today we're heading into the Sahara Desert. That's right, the place with scorching heat, endless dunes, and camels. Lots and lots of camels. Picture this, a line of camels stretching farther than your attention span during on a Monday morning class. They're walking across the desert like carrying salt, gold, and even people. But why? Well, that's the story of the Trans Saharan trade, one of the greatest trade routes in history. Let's start with the OGs of North African trade, the Berbers. These folks were the original desert dwellers spread across modern day Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, and Egypt. Some farmed, some herded, some lived in mountains, and some were full on desert nomads, like the extreme sports version of farmers. They shared a common culture and over time played a huge role in the linking of Africa's interior with Europe. Quick question: which group of native North Africans played a key role in early trade routes across the Sahara? Now let's talk about invaders, the Phoenician and Greeks. They arrived around 800 BC and built cities on the coast. One major city, Carthage, started grabbing control of Berber lands. But the Berbers didn't just sit around. The kingdom of Numidia helped the Romans crush Carthage. Take that, ancient empire bullies. Despite the drama, Berbers still traded actively, swapping slaves, salt, stones, and other goods in exchange for stuff like clothes, horses, and weapons. Fast forward to today. Some mountain Berbers still live pretty much like their ancestors did. Their homes, two stories, animal downstairs and people upstairs. Farming, no machines, just seats and mules and strong arms. Fun fact: they greet their visitors with the word Arumi, meaning Roman. Kind of wild, right? Like if someone greeted you today by calling you a Viking. But wait, how did they even get across the Sahara? Enter the MVP of the desert travel, camels. These animals are like desert version of a Tesla, reliable, efficient, and can go for days without a refill of water. Around AD 300, camels turned small trade into massive trade, a true Sahara game changer. Question: which animal transformed desert trade across the Sahara? Caravans, giant groups of hundreds, sometimes thousands of camels, were like mini cities on the move. Led by expert Berber guides, they traveled in winter to avoid the blazing sun and often at night. And most merchants didn't even cross the whole desert. They'd stop at an oasis. Think gas station with palm trees and water, and pass their goods on to someone else. Those oases, they turn into towns, then cities, then full-blown trading hubs. But let's be real, it wasn't all sunshine and spice. Merchants faced deadly heat, sandstorms, wild nomads, and getting hopelessly lost. Not exactly a vacation. Still, they kept it at it, building a trade network that connected North Africa to Europe and beyond. Quick question: what made trade safer for merchants in the desert? All right, let's have a recap before our camel runs off. Number one, who established trade routes in North Africa? Number two, Which city tried to take over Berber lands? Number 3. Which animal made long-distance desert trade possible? And number 4. What did merchants use to travel safely? Number 5. What were oasis towns used for?